How we doing, boys? It's a beautiful night. Oh shit. They're not prepared for this. UK. I want to go and do some drifting today, but...
Drifting? With this winter beater?
I know it's dangerous, but don't drive 10 miles an hour, like what the hell?
He said sorry.
He said sorry, okay.
He said sorry. Oh, okay then. We're not.
Yeah, but still.
Polish guy keeps complaining about UK traffic.
O kurwa!
Oh, that was too crazy. I didn't change the gear. But it was good, it was good, it was good. Oh, Satvir!
What? Who's that?
Sati! How are you doing, brother? Are you okay? Yeah. So we got there at the end. I need to find the perfect parking area to do some drifting! Boom, boom, boom! Let's check the weather. And it's going to be snowing, man. 12, 1, 2, whoa! Yo, today we have to do some fucking crazy things. I don't know what you heard about me. Yo! I'll make this one for you, man.
So we having like right now?
Daftona, Polish company. Highly recommended.
Camera cannot focus you because you're Polish.
3, 2, 1, go!
Why this pimp is so scared?
I'm not, I'm just thinking where to go, to which parking. Wait, that was crazy. Did you record that thing?
Yeah.
Whoa. It's a beautiful night.
A few moments later.
No, stop doing that, man. Oh, they're also doing that shit. No, God, man.
Oh, I could car, you know that. I didn't see the curb, see, that's what I mean. I knew it's going to be snowing, I might not see it, but I still done it. Fuck now, I think I got flat tire, you know?
Just stop. Yeah, probably.
Flat tire, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I just have to get back home.
Oh!
And that's a new tire. Oh. I can't drive it.
No, of course not.
What should I do? Petrol station. No, they sell this thing in petrol stations.
Yeah, quick fix.
That's so fucking funny. I was a retard and that's the end of the story today.
That's what happens when you're a drifter and you're a pimp drifter. Like, I told him that's gonna be a problem, but he never listens to me. And that's so funny. I know you need to change the tire and all that.
I do think it's a new tire. How can you buy a new tire or just the fucking... I think they can just fix it, man. The nearest thing is them, I mean to walk up there.
Let's walk, yeah, let's walk and buy a tire.
Not tire, but a quick fix, you know? What's so fucking funny? Well, but it could have happened because of anything.
Yeah, because of anything, like anytime. Like, new tire can explode like anytime, you know? Like.
Yeah, but at least we can stop here for like a second. Move it closer to this side or not?
No, it's okay.
It's okay, let's go.
Oh my god. I'm gonna die from laughing.
You f***ing retard.
We have to change the tire because he's a drifter. He is a professional drifter.
What in f***'s name are you doing? Oh!
So tell me what happened. Tell me the whole story.
There's probably a screw in the road.
Oh, that's your whole story?
Hope you go downstairs then. Yeah, let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
That's a real
I was thinking that I will slip onto her.
You look like a retard, man.
12.7 miles away. Spar. Direction. I think you just have to go like I don't know what way. Walking distance is just like 18 minutes, you just have to go
18 minutes? Are you crazy? I'm not going.
Why not? Of course you, I've got no choice.
I'm going back to the car then.
We cold.
It's not funny anymore, like I don't want to walk so
Don't
yeah, but then we have to walk back. Oh my god. We're already near the shop. This drifter is still thinking about drifting, like in this parking lot. Because
there's so much space here, what the f***? But they have cameras here, that's why.
Coolest guy.
Ninja.
Ninja. Good luck.
Thank you.
One left?
Yeah.
So we got it?
Yeah. 2 seconds, quick, easy, safe, tire weld. Problem solved, small and
Give me a
medium.
high five.
Up to 16 inch, minus 70. Oh, you want a coffee or something?
No, you're so kind. No, thank
No,
you.
because I need
Do you want to drive home?
I need something, need something to drink.
So, we have to walk back all the way. So, it's already cold here. But at least we have a good time. At least we have a good time.
Oh, it's so sweet now. Let's go, baby. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Take care.
too, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, I don't think I can fix the tire now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we kind of fixed the tire, I think. We're driving back home now. I hope everything will be okay.
Easy, boys.
Easy,
Easy
yeah.
life.
12 seconds later.
Oh,
What?
why is it shaking so off? So like stop something. Because it's like so bad. Like I can't drive like that home. I think I have to leave the car here and come back Monday here with Uber. Tomorrow.
I can't believe he just wanted to drift, and now he just has to leave the car here and pick it up on Monday. So probably we have to grab the Uber first of all and go home with a taxi. I know it's kind of funny, but at the same time it's like sad, but it is what it is. We bought more of this like tire fixing stuff and we're trying to fix it again, but I don't think it's gonna work, so probably we just have to take the Uber back home, and it's getting late already. What have you done with your drift?
Huh?
Your drift.
What do you mean, what drift? That wasn't even a drift. Oh.
That was a total failure.
So it's not how you fell, it's how you get up and carry on. Yeah, I think there's no choice. What are we going to do today? Nothing. Or just close the car, take everything.
Okay
My name is
guys, we
Bob.
got a Uber drive.
You should take the premium one, man. Cancel it. Shit, I want premium. Only Mercedes. Cancel it, man. I mean it. Cancel it.
Okay.
I want premium one.
It's a premium one, look, it's
Is
the
it?
black one. That's how our trip ends, that's how our vlog ends. What else do you have to say?
Nothing for now.
Okay, see you in Uber then.
Maybe, you know, the good thing is that I'll probably have to buy a new tire because it's from side, not from...
What do you do?
You don't want to know, like, I hit the curb. You know the... yeah.
You've been drifting, huh? No drift.
On the parking, you know?
Yeah,
I was like, okay. Yeah. On the parking, I was like, oh, there's going. I was like, I knew there are curves, so I'm like, okay, I'll try anyway, and then boom. And we were waiting for like Uber to someone pick up. I was like, oh my god, please, someone.
Guys, take care, guys.
Yep. Bye, good luck.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118
Finally.
It's all about humanity.